Shakespeare4All is delighted to present Shakespeare-In-Action 2024 to 2025. This program is open to Hong Kong students from Primary 4 up to Secondary 3. Shakespeare-In-Action, or SIA, is a fantastic opportunity for students to immerse themselves in the power of theatre through the words of William Shakespeare.
You get to express themselves freely in drama.
The teachers, they all have the charisma to capture the students' attention.
The boundary between students and teachers in a normal classroom has been torn down.
Through drama techniques, students move through an experiential English language journey towards a large-scale production that is highly interactive, challenging, but above all, enjoyable.
The teachers, they're so professional, and then a lot of patience and allowance to accept different kinds of students.
And what's really great about drama is it's very easy and approachable to any student.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Beckwith and I'm the Artistic Director of Shakespeare4All. It is my pleasure on behalf of S4A to present this program to the community, which is sponsored by LCSD. Our goal at S4A is to make learning as enjoyable as possible, ensuring that students walk away with newfound life learning skills that they will be able to use in other aspects of their lives.
We've been learning self-confidence and loud voice.
Use my body and my voice and my movements to express myself in ways I didn't know how to before.
Our learning environment is geared to boost a young person's self-esteem and inspire them to aspire to excellence.
So in designing the curriculum, we were looking to incorporate the arts, so that's why we decided to go towards drama in our school programs.
They help us to find out the strength of our students and develop their confidence and also the potential to perform on stage.
Haley was really reserved and quiet in class, but now she is really outspoken and outgoing.
Shakespeare can be tough to handle even for native English speakers. However, our philosophy of instruction coincides with the Chinese proverb, "Tell me and I'll forget. Show me and I'll remember. Involve me and I'll understand."
I learned a lot more about talking in English, and I can talk more fluently, and it's very different before I came in this drama class.
I feel really proud because I see them improving.
Sometimes it is hard to understand, but over time I start to understand, and it helps with my vocabulary as well.
I feel a lot of pride seeing the students go from the beginning of being very shy to being out there on the stage and really projecting their voice and showing a lot of confidence.
This is why our way through experiential learning is so successful for the students' comprehension. This year, our students will be performing the classic comedy Much Ado About Nothing by William Shakespeare. It is a delightful comedy that follows the romantic entanglement of two couples. The play revolves around the witty exchange between Beatrice and Benedick, who initially profess to despise each other, but ultimately fall in love. Meanwhile, the young lovers, Claudio and Hero's relationship, faces obstacles due to the deception and misunderstanding orchestrated by the villainous Don John. As the characters navigate love, jealousy, and mistaken identities, the play ends in a joyous celebration of love triumphing over adversity. This program is broken up into 3 parts. The first part is when all the students will have an opportunity to see other Hong Kong students perform a professionally staged show at S4A's annual gala production in September. The second part is where our professional tutor comes to your school for 24 hours of drama workshops, with the students focusing on 2 to 3 scenes of the play. During this time, students will practice English, learn performance techniques, and build interpersonal and intrapersonal skills through drama training. In the final part, all 8 schools come together to celebrate the project's success. Each school performs their part of the play. That means 160 students from all around Hong Kong come together to Yuen Long Theatre to represent their school by performing their scenes. This part is divided over 2 days. The first day is a full technical rehearsal. The second day is when the doors open and the students share their hard work performing the words of the greatest playwright and poet of all time to the community of Hong Kong.
Just go for it and really be patient with the students because they are going to be reluctant at first to join a program that's to do with drama, but just keep encouraging them, be supportive.
Just let your students enroll in this program, enjoy and immerse into the world of English.
This is a fantastic and fulfilling opportunity for your students to be empowered by the works of William Shakespeare with Shakespeare4All. Come and join us. Come be part of our story. Sign your school up to Shakespeare in Action with Shakespeare4All.